Welcome to this video tutorial where we'll show you how to set up a free Llama 3.2 API service in Google Cloud. We'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, let's start with a new project in Google Cloud. Our first task is to navigate to the Vertex AI model garden. This is where we'll find the Llama model we want to use. Once you're in the Vertex AI model garden, you have two options to locate the Llama model. You can either use the search function to look for Llama, or you might find it featured at the top of the page. The great news is that this service is currently available for free during its public preview period. To start using this API, all we need to do is enable it. Once that's done, we're ready to integrate it into our applications. This means we can use the Llama model's capabilities in our own software projects. On the API page, you'll see various ways to interact with the model. One method is through curl calls, which are commands you can run in a terminal to send requests to the API. Another option is to use a Python SDK, which provides a set of tools for Python programmers to work with the API more easily. For those who want to quickly test the model without writing any code, there's a convenient tryout button available. This allows you to interact with the model directly through the web interface. To demonstrate how this API works in practice, let's use the Cloud Shell. This is a built-in command line tool in Google Cloud that allows us to run commands directly in our browser. We'll use it to run an example curl command that interacts with the Llama model. We'll copy and paste the example curl command into the Cloud Shell. In this example, we're asking the model a simple question: what's in this image? Along with this question, we're also providing an image for the model to analyze. This showcases the model's ability to understand and process both text and images, which is known as multimodal capability. When we first try to run the command, we might encounter an error asking us to provide an endpoint value. This is a specific address that tells our request where to go. We'll need to copy the correct endpoint value from the API documentation and insert it into our command before running it again. After making this adjustment and running the command a second time, we should receive a response from the model. In this case, the model tells us that the image shows the Colosseum, the famous ancient amphitheater in Rome, Italy. To verify the accuracy of the model's response, we can check the page where this example image is displayed. Looking at the image ourselves, we can confirm that it indeed appears to be the Colosseum. This demonstrates that our model is functioning correctly and can accurately identify images. It's worth noting that we're using a very powerful version of the Llama model here. Specifically, we're accessing the 90 billion parameter model through this API. The number of parameters in a model generally relates to its capacity and capability, so 90 billion parameters indicate a highly sophisticated model. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, consider starting a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please enjoy responsibly.